659,000 pesos lang.
So malakas ang loob ko, bibigyan ako ni Paring Head ng discount.
Paano nalaman? Kabisado na ako ng tao. Ay, huwag ka na magbayad, boss. What's up, guys? Another watch, another day, pare. Meron tayong new deal for today. Pare, fresh na fresh ako. Dito ko ba ako, pare? Poging-pogi. Tara, puntahan natin si client. Hi, sir. Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. I'm Hybe. Sir, maraming salamat sa pagsadya, of course, dito sa Gentry Timepieces dito sa Green Hills. Nag-message daw kayo kay Shar sa CSR namin and sa pages namin, di ba? So, they were able to contact you and binukman nila ako for you. So, this is a 36mm watch. They just Rolex, of course. This is reference 116233. Two-tone na yellow gold on a diamond dial. This shows seniority. This also shows how Datejust and Rolex has been timeless piece ever since naman. Nakikita nyo. Actually, there's like 1980s na Rolexes that almost same design nito. So they just configure some and upgrade some parts, the movement. However, the looks and feel and the spirit ng Rolex is parang iisa pa rin all throughout the years. Here we have, of course, may paper siya. This is a 2009 model. Comes with its box. Complete naman, boss. Usap na tayo sa presyo?
Yeah.
Ready ka na, boss? 659,000 pesos lang.
To be honest with you, by the way pala, I'm a Muslim also.
Okay.
So malakas ang loob ko, bibigyan ako ni Paring Head ng discount. Diba?
Paano nalaman? Wala na. Kabisado na ako ng tao. 645.
Ano yung 5?
640.
Ayun. Okay.
Done. 640,000. Done. Complete 116233 reference. Done deal for 640,000. You get a done deal hoodie. And meron ka mang gift certificate kay Doc Sheena if you want a pamper day. Mobile cart naman may 5,000 discount sa lahat ng Apple products nila. Suotin mo na, boss? Suotin mo na.
Sige, yeah. Nagsuot sa akin si Paring Head.
Parang sakto-sakto na, boss, ha? Boss, maraming salamat. And ito na po yung gift certificate mo.
Diba binigyan ako ng relo, binigyan ako ng hoodie, hindi pa ako nagbabayad.
Hindi ka pa nagbabayad dyan. Okay na yun, tayo. Huwag ka na magbayad, boss. Yeah.